In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to divide circle into equal parts in AutoCAD. Whether you're laying out spokes, planning hole patterns, or just need precise reference marks. This quick method will give you perfectly even spacing around any circle without altering the geometry. Here's the idea. AutoCAD has a built-in command that places equally spaced point objects along an existing object. When you use it on a circle, it calculates the divisions by arc length and drops points exactly where you need them. The circle remains a single, intact object. The software simply adds reference points on top of it. This makes it a clean, non-destructive way to prepare guides for your next steps. Start by heading to the command line and typing divi, then press enter. You don't have to worry about capitalization. AutoCAD will recognize the command either way. Once the command is active, look for the prompt asking you to select an object. Click directly on the edge of your circle to select it. You should see the circle highlight, confirming it's been picked. Next, AutoCAD will ask for the number of segments. This is how many equal parts you want around the circle. Type the number that suits your design, for example, 6 for 6 evenly spaced locations, and press enter. Make sure to choose a whole number that reflects your layout needs. The software does the rest of the math instantly. And there you go. AutoCAD places points around the circle that divide it evenly. These are point objects, sometimes displayed as dots, crosses, or other markers depending on your current point style. If the points look tiny or hard to spot, that's just a display setting. You can adjust the point appearance later so they're easier to see without changing their locations. A quick clarification. The divide command doesn't physically cut the circle into separate arcs. It simply marks the equal intervals. Those nodes are perfect for guiding construction lines, placing blocks, or snapping with precision. If you plan to draw to these locations, turn on your object snaps and use the node snap so your cursor locks onto each point exactly. To recap the workflow in one breath, type divide and press enter, select your circle, enter the number of segments, and press enter again. You'll get evenly spaced points all the way around, ready for whatever comes next in your drawing. That's all. Simple, accurate, and fast.